Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the remaining topic, that is industry and types of industry. So already in the last class I have explained about the meaning of industry. So the industry may be broadly divided into a three category, that is a primary, secondary and tertiary. So that is the primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. So we will discuss the first meaning of primary industry. So industry is divided into three category, that is primary. Here we will study today what is mean by primary industry and what are the types of primary industry. So primary industry is broadly classified into again extractive industry and genetic industry. So we will study what is mean by primary industry and what is mean by extractive and genetic industry. Here, primary industries are those industries including those activities which are connected with the extraction and production of a natural resources and reproduction and the development of living organism and a plant, etc. That's called as the a primary industry. So next we are moving for the a primary industry. What is meant by primary industry? Primary industries are those industry which are going to produce. What they are doing? They are going to produce the goods which from the nature. It means they are going to produce the good from the nature resources. Here they are using the natural resources for the production, and they are going to develop the living organs and the plants. It means they are using a natural products in the primary industry. Here in the primary industry they are using a natural products for the production, that's called as a primary industry. So again a primary industry are going to divide it, a primary industry is going to divide it into a two category, that is a primary industry, genetic industry, extractive industry. Okay, and these manufacturing and construction industry and the service industry will be come under the a secondary industry. Okay, so the primary industry has divided into two category, that is a genetic and extractive. Okay, so come we will study, next we will study the what is mean by the in so see here the industry again, the extractive, genetic, construction and the manufacturing. Construction and the manufacturing industry will be come under the secondary sector. Okay, that is secondary industry. The next, the primary industry, that's called as the, again it's divided into extractive industry. Extractive industry means these are the industries extracting or the draw out the products from the natural sources. Extractive industries supply some basic raw material that are mostly products of the soil. A product of the these are the industries are usually transformable into the many other useful goods by a manufacturing industries. A important extractive industry includes the farming, mining, lumbering and hunting and the fishing. So these are the some of the activity which is related to the extractive industry. It means extractive industries are those industry which extract the good from the nature or the earth. They are going to, here they are going to extract the good from the earth. It means they are going to take out from the earth the products, and that they are going to use for the production by the secondary industry. See here, the whatever the product they have extracted from the earth, that products will be used by the secondary industry for the reproduction of the products. So here it includes the primary industry, like extractive industry includes the farming, mining. Okay, so lumbering, next hunting, the next we are having a fishing. So these are come under the extractive industries. Remember here student, extractive industries are those industry which draw out a product from the natural sources. It means the goods are going to extract from the nature, and we are going to extract the some products from the earth also, that's called as extractive industries. Understood? So this is regarding to the extractive industry. Next we are having the extractive and second one here, extractive industry are includes. See here, we are going to see this. What are the extractive industries? So that is a exploration, diamond mining, surface mining, gas extraction, oil, plant farms, oil drilling, coal mine, and the dredgings. So these are come under the extractive industry. Extractive industry includes it. These are the activity through that they are going to extract the some product from the earth or the from the nature. It's called as a extractive industry. Next we are having the genetic industry. Okay, so genetic industries, these industries remain uh, engaged in breeding a plant and a animals from their use in a further reproduction for the breeding of the plant, the seed, and the nursery companies are types of the example for the genetic industry. So here genetic industries are those industry which are going to use the some product. Here take example, industry remain engaged. These are going to engage means they are going to do the activity breeding of plants and animal husbandry. So these are come under the genetic industry. Okay, so these are come under the genetic industry. Remember here student, the primary industry are divided into a two category, that is extractive industry and genetic industry. Genetic industries are those industries remain engaged in the breeding a plant and animal for their use in the further reproduction for the breeding of a plant, the seed, and the nursery companies are the types of example of the genetic industry. So here remember here student, for 1 marks they will ask what are the example for genetic industries. Then you want to be give the examples like the breeding a plant and this plants, the seed, and the nursery companies are the example for the genetic industry. So the activities of a cattle breeding farms and the poultry farms and the fish ha- hatchery come under the classification of genetic industry. Here activities of a cattle breeding farms and the poultry farms and the fish hatching comes under the classification of genetic industry. So these are the examples of genetic industry. So see here we will discuss once again. So what is meant by primary industry and what are the types of primary industry. So remember primary industry are the industry here. See here the primary industries are the industry which are including the activities connected with the extraction and the production of a natural resources and the reproduction of the development of living organs, plants, etc. are called as the primary industry. Okay, so the primary industries are divided into a two category, that is genetic industry and extractive industry. So next let's move to the types of primary industry. The primary industry as divided into it I already have explained. Extractive industry, it means they are going to extract the good from the nature and they are going to use that products for the secondary industry for the production or the reproduction. So here they are going to extract the soil or they can extract the good from the nature, that's called as the extractive industries. So the extractive industry, the next these are the some of the extractive industries we have already learned. The next we are having a genetic industry. Genetic industries are remaining engaged, it means they are going to work as a breeding a plant and the animal for the their use in the further reproduction. It means take example, with the help of animals they are going to produce some products. Okay, so that's called as the genetic industry. Okay, so we are having for the breeding of the plants and the seeds and nursery companies are the types of example of the genetic industry. So activities of cattle breeding. Next, farms, poultry farms and the fish hatcheries comes under the classification of genetic industry. So remember, these are the things, the types of primary industry. So the remaining the types of secondary industry we will learn in the